Hey, so today what we're going to be doing is looking at open-minded. That's the assembly for today. And open-minded is keeping an open mind to different cultures, different beliefs, different ways of living, right? And we're going to celebrate that today with some awards. You saw at the beginning we were doing some drumming. I think each time we have a profile assembly, we'll have some music, and I think we're going to have more and more students performing and doing things at the beginning when people come in, okay? So, did you enjoy that?
Yes!
Yeah, it was cool, it was cool. Let's give those guys another round of applause, one for drumming. If you're a little nervous, if you want to do that, but you're a little nervous, don't worry. You can just come talk to me and we'll work it out, okay? You'll get a chance to do that. So, our assembly is open-minded. Let's get to it.
Good morning, NPIS. That was terrible. Good morning, NPIS. That's so much better. Okay, if you have a birthday, if you had a birthday in August, or you had a birthday in September, or you're having a birthday this last week of September, can you please stand up and come to the stage?
Listen, respect people's opinion.
I am being open-minded by trying new foods. Before moving to Thailand, I thought I wouldn't like spicy food. But now I know that I like it because I tried so many Thai dishes that are spicy. Now I know that I really liked spicy food, especially tom yum is my favorite.
You can be open-minded by listening to other people and thinking of how other people feel. You can also explore other cultures and be open-minded.
I'm open-minded when others suggest things for me to try, and I try them out, like new foods or their favorite book or different activities.
Learn about other cultures.
Here, I am an open-minded person because I love learning from other people. I think it is fascinating to see how people think differently. And I think, personally, having an open mind is cool.
Because I like to learn things about others, that way I can be more talented. Listen to others.
Today we're celebrating those students that are courageous and like to try new food, right? So they're open-minded about the different kinds of food. Raise up your hand if you like to travel. Do you like to travel? I love to travel. Who likes to go to Disneyland? Go to Disneyland, right? So if you like to travel, you're open-minded. If you try new foods, you're open-minded. If you like to learn about other cultures, you're open-minded. But you're also very open-minded when you're in your classroom and you listen to others. Do you listen to others in your classroom? Good job. Very open-minded people at APIS. So now we're going to proceed to celebrate those students who are open-minded.
In grade 3, we have Roy. Roy has been open-minded so far in 3rd grade. He is enthusiastic about new topics, tries all of the snacks, and loves to learn about different types of communication in our unit, how we express ourselves. Leo. In grade 4, we have Leo. Leo is always on time for class and excited to learn. His father is in Shanghai while he is still in China. This makes the time change difficult, and he is used to juggling both Thai and Chinese cultures. Leo is constantly work ready and able to share his opinions respectfully. I am impressed with Leo's open-mindedness. In grade 6, we have Scan. Scan is always willing to try to respond to a question even when he is unsure if it is the most accurate response. He demonstrates that he is open-minded to new ideas and ways of thinking, and he incorporates learning from class into his own thinking. During class, he remains attentive, enthusiastic to try, incorporates the new learning and responds to contribute to discussion in class. For music, we have Peter from grade 5. Peter has come up with great ideas on how to take action in our communities through music. In Thai class, we have Soki from grade 5. He always takes notes when we are in Thai class to keep his understanding and to practice later. He tries his best to find out the answer and responses to the teacher even if he is new in Thai class. In Chinese class, we have Amy from grade 4. Amy loves to share her own ideas while responding to others in an open-minded way, helpful to her classmates and always active in any discussion.
Lastly, for grade 5, we have Annie. Annie has an excellent attitude in all classes. She's really hardworking and self-motivated. Annie always hands in her work on time, listens to feedback, and applies corrections. She works great independently, listens attentively to her classmates and assignments, and exceeds expectations with the quality of her work. Congratulations, Annie.